I'm back on my bender rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents. Put my circle tight like we glued hands. Like I don't believe in new friends. Trail light, I know the ice thin. I drop the song, get a few.
Guys, it's your boy Melodium boys. Welcome back to another video. So आज की वीडियो पे गाइस में आया HP वर्कशॉप अनबॉक्स दी all the Omen 16 gaming laptops. But unboxing से पहले let's take a look at this store. See what we have. So here we have all kind of laptops that are purpose is content creation, multimedia, gaming और office work. But आज हम लोग आए to unbox the gaming laptop that is Omen 16 laptop. But unboxing से पहले let's take a look at this store and what kind of accessories we have. So आज guys let's take a look. So here we have all kind of gaming accessories for you gamers. हमारे पास है headphones, mic, mouse, keyboard and many more accessories for you. Okay guys, now it's time to unbox the gaming laptop जिसके लिए हम लोग यहाँ आए हैं और जिसके लिए मैं बहुत excited हूँ. So आज guys let's do it. Okay guys, now it's time to do the unboxing of the Omen 16 gaming laptop. मैं बहुत ही excited हूँ. So आज guys let's do it. Oh my god, so good. So let's take a look what we have, and here we have charger and cable for charging, you know. Let's keep it aside and let's get the main part, that is the laptop. Okay, it's so light man. Okay, I'll keep the box aside and let's focus on the laptop. Okay guys, it's time to open it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You can take a look guys, Omen branding is there. Okay, let's keep it aside. Oh my god. Okay guys, now it's time to tell you the specs of this laptop powered by AMD processor. So this laptop comes with AMD Ryzen 5 5600H and Nvidia GTX 1654GB graphic card for super smooth gameplay. Time to tell you the display of this. It comes with 16.1 inch and 144 Hz with 7 ms responsive for accurate gameplay. It also comes with new floating display with new hinge design, enhances the overall look and provides the strength. The one feature which I like the most about this laptop is it has 26 anti-ghosting keys, which means that आप 26 keys एक बार में use कर सकते हो without any delay. Now comes the most cooling feature जो मेरे को सबसे अच्छा feature लगा is the Omen Gaming Hub, which allows you to customize your performance, cooling, network and lighting guys. Dual SSD slot powered with one PCI Gen 4x4 SSD for super fast storage. It comes with better cooling, that is 2x more faster fan speed and 2.5x thinner. Along with that, Omen Tempest cooling technology and IR thermophile sensor that keeps this laptop without any heat issue and keeps you cool while playing the games. It also stops Blu-rays because it has features like TUV eye safe, anti-glare, flicker-free full HD display for comfortable gameplay. And it is also made of recycled material, Energy Star and EPEAT certified gaming laptop. Hey guys, so the unboxing is done. This is the beast gaming laptop. आपको ये laptop जरूर लेना चाहिए. So make sure to visit your nearest HP World store and make sure to grab the offers running till 16th October 2022.
They come up in the rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents. Put my circle tight like we glued hands. Like I don't believe in new friends. Trail light, I know the ice thin. I drop the song, get a few wins. I crave the comfort in my own skin. Really, I just wanna feel the